In a shocking move, Manchester United's new manager, Ruben Amorim, has created waves by forming what's being called a bomb squad. Several high-profile players have been exiled from the first team, sparking debate among fans and pundits alike. The list of sideline names is huge. Jadon Sancho, Antony, Marcus Rashford, Alejandro Garnacho, and even goalkeeper Andre Onana. Each case tells a story. Sancho's exile comes after ongoing clashes with managers and questions about professionalism. Antony's struggles off the pitch have overshadowed his performances. Rashford, once seen as United's poster boy, has been disciplined for breaches of internal rules. Young Garnacho reportedly failed to adapt to Amorim's tactical demands. And Onana? Tensions with the coaching staff have grown too large to ignore. Inside the dressing room, this decision has caused a stir. Removing such big names is never easy, but Amorim insists it's necessary to reset the culture of the squad. He wants fighters, not passengers. Fans are split. Some see this as a bold and overdue step to fix years of underachievement. Others fear losing too much talent could backfire. One thing's for sure, Amorim isn't here to play safe. The fate of the dropped players is uncertain. Some may find new clubs quickly, others could fade into the background. Meanwhile, United marches forward with a leaner squad, focused on discipline, tactics, and mentality. This moment feels like a turning point. Amorim's gamble could either lay the foundation for a powerful new Manchester United, or risk alienating stars and destabilizing the team. United fans, buckle up. A rebuild is underway, and Amorim's message is clear: perform or step aside.